Rachel, and today I'm very excited because I've got a new planner to open up. So just a quick FYI, this is a new planner to me, but I do believe that the lady that I bought it from in the D-stash hasn't used it, so I'm pretty sure that it's new as well. This is a Moterm Planner. I purchased this a couple of days ago, and I'm pretty sure, I'm not going to say exactly how much that I paid, but I'm pretty sure that I just paid what she paid for it. I didn't pay too much at all. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm just going to get this opened up. The reason why I have ended up getting this, I'm blaming Tony from Fab Planner Prints, because she bought some Moterm planners and she kept sending me pictures of them. She sent me a link to the Moterm, what's it called, AliExpress store, and the colour that I wanted wasn't in stock, so I'd sort of been stalking the link to see what was coming back in stock and stuff, and as I was doing that, this came up on the D-stash group. So yeah, I quickly sent her a message saying, is this the right one, is this the right one? And she was like, yes, buy it. So I did. So it's not in the original outer box that says Moterm on it. Oh, it might be actually. I thought the box might have been bigger. Let's see if there's another box inside here. Then, oh, there is. No, it is in the original packaging then. I was wrong, but I'm so excited. So this is a personal sized. As you know, I plan in personal wide. So this is a whole size change for me, which is a little bit scary. But I've already ordered some dividers. And no doubt there will be a flip through coming soon. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So before I open it, I just want to say this is the lychee pink. I believe that lychee is the style and pink is the colour, because I've seen the Versa, which is differently configured inside, and I'm not too keen on the inside of that one. It's too much leather for me. I like the pocket configuration of this, but I do believe that there is quite a bit of variation in the colours depending on the batch of leather that you get. So I'm hoping for a really, because the pictures that I saw in the D-stash sale were quite dark. I think the actual photos were quite dark. I'm hoping that the planner is not as dark as it looked. I would like it to be quite blush. But we'll see. I'm so excited. Oh, so it's in the little baggie as well that you get. Okay. Let's have a look, let's have a look. It feels so squishy. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. It's just the pink that I wanted. It's very similar to, like, if you've seen an Aura style ballet slipper. It really does remind me of that. Oh, I'm so happy with that. That's just what I wanted. It's lovely and squishy. So it's got the fly leaf inside of it. So like I said, this is as new, I'm pretty sure. Oh, I don't know what that is, just a sampler. That must be a sampler of a different kind of leather that you can get. So it's got the fly leaf in, and she did tell me that it had some paper in it. I probably won't use this in here, but I do have a planner cart that has like a little stash of scrap paper just for when I need to scribble. You know, like when you first write with the pen and you wanted to scribble just to get the flow going. So this will probably all go in there and I'll use that. Or maybe I'll sell it in the D-stash group. I don't know, but I'm so happy with this. Oh, it's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is my first Moterm. And this is my first personal size planner. I do have the Foxy Fixes in personal snap, but as you know, I use personal wide inserts in it. So I'll just go over the pockets. I'm sure you've seen these a million times over on YouTube. But we've got a pocket there and a pocket there, and we have got a zipper pocket here. I will tell you something that I don't like, but I knew this going into it. I hate this. I hate the horrible brown lining that you get. I either wish it was black or just match the planner. It's no big deal. I knew it was there, and you don't see it unless you open it up. It's got a big pocket that I'm so excited about. So yeah, and then you get the fly leaf, which is just the plain on the front with the pebble in, which is gorgeous, by the way. And then you get the card slots on the back of it. I'm not going to use this here because I like having a decorative front in my planner, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the back and use it as a page lifter, I think. And I think what else I'll do as well, these are 25mm rings, but I think I'll switch them out for 30mm rings because that's what I'm used to, but we'll see. We'll see. I have got here a big stack. Have a look at this, a big stack of inserts to cut out and to pop in. So we will see. We'll see if I need to make the rings bigger. But yeah, that's my new planner. So it is a Moterm Lychee Pink. I think I'm saying it right. I think it's Lychee. If you go on AliExpress, you will find them in the Moterm store, and I believe that they're taking maybe a week or so to ship. But yeah, look out for a flip through of this coming soon. I'm going to set it up literally as soon as I turn the camera off because I'm super duper excited. But I am so happy with this. It's just perfect. So yeah, just a quick video today, guys. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.